Look me in the eyes. Don't say it wrong. Learn the real way to say mírame a los ojos in English. And avoid a common mistake. Quick tip to sound more natural. More everyday expressions. Check out our playlist, English in a Flash. ¿Cómo dices mírame a los ojos en inglés? Spoiler, no es look to my eyes. Look to my eyes? Nope. Look at my eyes? Close, but not quite. The natural way is look me in the eyes. Or just look me in the eye, if you're going full dramatic. Why? Because this phrase is direct and intense. It shows emotion, challenge, or honesty. Examples. Look me in the eyes and tell me the truth. Mírame a los ojos y dime la verdad. She looked him in the eyes and smiled. Ella lo miró a los ojos y sonrió. Remember, use look at for general things. But just look me in the eye when it gets real. Eyes on me, not on the subtitles. For more quick tips, check English in a Flash.